Hey guys, welcome back to Wolverine Gaming. Today is day 4 of Alliance Duel. So we'll explore day 4 basic tasks to do in VS. So if you go to the duel, you'll find this day as day 5 total mobilization. Okay, so today's theme is like completing a radar task, which gonna give you 25k. Use 1 minute construction speed up, increase building power. Use 1 minute research speed up, increase tech power. Use 1 minute training speed up, train level 1 unit, level 2 or 2 level 10. So this is today's task. So this is like total mobilization. So we're gonna cover all the tasks in here, like completing radar tasks. So I have saved a radar task from yesterday. You can see we got around 40 radar tasks in here, so let's complete them. So I'm gonna quick perform some of them, and rest the red dot ones will be automatically completed. So I will just collect them, and you can see we getting lots of points for that, 25k per each. So we have already two second box, like they just finish all the radar tasks, and then we'll move to the construction speed up or increase building power. Okay, so we got dig up treasure, and it has some time limit, so I will get that later. First I will complete all the tasks using all my stamina. So it's almost done by this, and we getting lots of points for them. So make sure you save from the day before, and you will get lots of rewards in return. So I will send some task troop to gathering from this, and like almost we are done. I will skip some part because the video will be so much long. So get to the boxes now. Two boxes all already open. Now we'll move to the construction speed up. So second task is like construction speed up, and then increasing the building power. So you can see I will build building over here, HQ upgrade to 27. So I will use all the existing speed ups, like it's cutting 3 days. So now after 7 days I can complete my HQ. I'll see if I can get some construction speedups. I have already used for day 4, day 2. So I will check out if I have in here. No. So let's move to the next tasks, like use 1 minute research speed up and increase take power tower by take power by 1 point. So I'm gonna use all research speed ups in here. Done. You can see we got some points in here. So I will upgrade some in here, send it to help. I'll wait for some time, so allies can help me to make it faster. Till then let's complete, like use 1 minute training speed up. Use let's use training speed ups for training. I will show you for example. Okay, so we can use like training speed up, and I will use it with arm race. You can see we got getting arm race alongside, so that can benefit both the vs and arm race points. So I'm gonna use it in here too. So you can see we getting points. Nice. I will use all training speed ups for this one, and we'll be done. And then use rest. And you can see we got vs point box open, plus we got alongside these arm race boxes. So we are done for this, and you can use all of it, but you can also save for like last day enemy investor. If you are not attacking, you can get points from construction speed up, research speed up, 1 minute training speed up, healing speed ups. So you can save for day after this. So that's it guys. I will use some in here right now, and that's nice. I will upgrade smaller, like time small, consuming time smaller. Wait a minute. Yes, like small task like this, and score points for rest of the day. So that's it guys, we have already done all the tasks, and you can complete all the tasks and get those like 9 boxes. I am already to 8th one. So that's how you can score, and make sure you are uh, upgrading alliance duel at max level, so you can get lots of points for free. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope this video helps you. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.